Yes, Slick, that's right. I just inspected the work of Slick and I'm now in another property with Slick here. As a landlord, I have to be hands-on to the granular details of my crew, my team members. So I was just going around several of the properties, checking my contractor's work, and now my fourth stop actually, is now with Slick. And so he's almost done painting this closet here. So what I'd like to share with you guys, when you have an apartment, it's very easy if you just stick with this common principle, and I'm gonna share it with you. The principle is to use a general paint color. So what I do is I stick with the same color paint all the time, whether a single family, a duplex, a triplex. So what I'd like to use are just three colors. One for the ceiling, which is flat paint white. Second, I use an eggshell Dover white. I kind of like to stay in the white, even though I'm biased because I'm a physician. And on trims, on doors here, I'd like to use semi-gloss white, because over the years I've found out that when I have a color paint system, I stay to this three general principles of sticking to this paint: white, semi-gloss white, flat white, semi-gloss white, and Dover white. It's very easy when I do have repairs, or if I'm putting in a new or building a new unit. It's very easy. So if my tenant moves out and there's a lot of scratch mark or scuff marks, then I know what paint to use. I know the sheen, eggshell, flat white, or semi-gloss. It's very easy. And if I don't have it, then I can just tell my contractor, hey, go to Lowe's and buy this kind of color, this sheen, this brand. Because second tip, every brand of paint has a different shade, has a different sheen to it. Even when they say it's Dover white, their Dover white is different from a Sherwin-Williams or from a Valspar. They're all different. Even if they say semi-gloss white, the semi-gloss white of a particular brand is different from a generic brand. So that's why I stick to one brand and I stick to the same three colors that I use: flat white, Dover white, and semi-gloss white. So say Slick, hi, bye, hi and bye.
Later.
All right.